so it's day 2 and we are heading to a lot of places today. So आज का दिन हमारा पूरा टूरिस्टी होने वाला है. So today we are traveling to 3 places. पहला place होगा हमारा Big Buddha, second WAT Chalong Temple, and we are going to end with Old Town Phuket. So ये 3 जगह आज के हमारे schedule में है because गर्मी बहुत है Phuket में. So I think we can only manage 3 places in a day, and I think being touristy for a day would be a good plan for us. And also हमें अपने होटल से सुंदर सा हमें एक मिनी बस असिस्टेंस मिल चुका है. He is the driver of the day. Thankfully इनसे communicate करना बहुत easy है. Else यहाँ के cab driver से deal करना, trust me, it's a big mess. And also the cab services are super expensive. तो online कभी भी cab book मत करना. Go to the roads nearby your hotel जहाँ पे आपकी booking है, and then talk to the drivers verbally. कंपनसेट होता है प्राइस में. यस, थोड़ा बहुत बार्गेन करने की कोशिश करो. कल से हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट 3500 to 4000 बात हम स्पेंड कर चुके हैं ओनली टू ट्रैवल. सो कैब सर्विस इज सुपर एक्सपेंसिव. सो या, दिस इज द एंटायर प्लान फॉर द डे. पोपट हो गया हमारा. सो मुझे इतना तो पता था that we can't wear anything short like in the length wise, but मुझे नहीं पता था shoulders दिखना भी यहाँ पे allowed नहीं है. Of course it's a religious place, but thankfully I was carrying a shrug. Else यहाँ पे it's gonna cost 100 to 150 baht for any of the additional stuff you're gonna buy.
We actually knew कि Chalong Temple में हमें like किसी भी person के लिए ये religious beliefs के हिसाब से has to keep up the respect of the tradition and the culture. We always have to basically cover the shoulder and the knee. That is. हमने यहाँ पे कितने पैसे बचाए?
Almost 150 baht.
150 baht. Vana, you wanted a sarong, right?
Though I'm looking like a disaster because क्या color पहने?
Color combination बेचारी का. She was so upset that मतलब उसका पूरा कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन हो गया, ड्रेसिंग या फिर जो भी है, everything got ruined, everything got messed. Now let's see what happens.
Let's go.
Shit. How's the view?
It's too hot, but the view is so mesmerizing.
What's the view
सुंदर है.
like?
बहुत
Okay.
सुंदर है. Look at that. That's Big Buddha. And look at the back view. Okay, so we are done with the Big Buddha visit. Place तो बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत mesmerizing है, peaceful है. So अगर आपको आप यहाँ फुकेट में आ रहे तो I don't think so ये miss करने वाला कोई भी जगह है. So I think you can surely visit this place. यहाँ पे सिर्फ view के अलावा you will get a place where you can meditate in a group. There are gurus, there are guides who are going to basically train you and who are gonna basically guide you for the रियल हीलिंग प्रोसेस जो होता है. और सबसे अच्छी बात अगर आप देख पाओ इस फ्रेम में there are people sitting for meditation, but the fun fact, the best part, if you can see that like a dogo sitting up there. So it's a holy place, it's a religious place, but still the dog is there and nobody is minding it. Koi mind nahi kar raha. There are priests, there are people praying. So that is the best thing, and they're also like adoring and pampering the doggo. So that is the best part. ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So that's the real sense of purity, you can say.
अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं चलोंग टेम्पल. रेडी?
Yeah, and very smartly I have changed. I have worn a cover up and मैंने फिर remove कर दिया. So I needed a change, look change. So जुगाड़ तो करना पड़ता है. So thanks for the mini bus.
Here, there. Play.
Thank you. We are here at the old town Phuket, and it's really beautiful. Weather अच्छा हो गया है. गर्मी कम है अभी फिलहाल, so we are quite relaxed and look at the sky. Tie-dye effect. Look around, such clean city, clean streets. And अभी हमें बहुत जोर से भूख लगी है, so we are gonna hunt for a good place to eat, and then we're gonna roam around.
So हम लोग ओल्ड टाउन आ गए हैं. बहुत ही फेरी लैंड जैसा लग रहा है बेसिकली. ये देखो